Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from all your YouTube channels in just one click using a Google Chrome extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and settings. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will expand a submenu showing your currently installed extensions and additional extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions and themes. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in YouTube Unsubscribe All. This extension is specifically designed to help you manage your YouTube subscriptions efficiently, allowing you to unsubscribe from multiple channels simultaneously instead of doing it one by one manually. After you enter the search term, press Enter or click the search icon to see the results. From the search results that appear, locate the YouTube Unsubscribe All extension and click on it. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can read more details about its features and user reviews. On this page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will then download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser next to the address bar. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, locate and click on YouTube Unsubscribe All. This will open the extension's interface and present you with options to manage your subscriptions. In the extension interface, you'll see a button that says Go to your YouTube channels page. Click on this button and it will automatically redirect you to your YouTube subscriptions page where all your subscribed channels are listed. Once you're on this page, you'll notice a new button that the extension has added called Unsubscribe All. Click on this button to initiate the mass unsubscribe process. After clicking, the extension will begin automatically unsubscribing you from all your channels. You'll need to wait for a bit while this process completes. Depending on how many channels you're subscribed to, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You'll see the unsubscribe actions happening on your screen as the extension works through your subscription list. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from all your YouTube channels in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.